Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on LENOVO V15. In order to take a screenshot, you can either use a combination of 3 buttons, Windows, Shift and S, and this will enable this toolbar at the top of your screen, and the alternative way to activate it is by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. Now, once you open this bar, you have to select one of the 4 available screenshot options: the rectangular, windowed, full screen or freeform screenshot. The rectangular one, if you select it on this list, you'll be able to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Once the area is selected, you'll see the notification in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll find if you click on the notification, you'll find the preview of your screenshot with the editing tools at the top, which you can use if you want to quickly edit this photo. You can also select edit in Paint for more advanced edits. And then if you want to save this screenshot as a new edited screenshot, click right here and then select the folder where you want to save your screenshot. But once the screenshot is taken, it's automatically saved to your pictures folder, screenshots, and let's sort this folder by view, by date, so we can find the latest taken screenshot, and this is the screenshot that I just took. So now let me just briefly explain you the other 3 types of screenshots. So the first one will be the windowed screenshot. Now if you want to take a screenshot of a window, you just have to select this option, then click on a window, and the screenshot that you take will look somewhat like this. Now the following screenshot type or mode is the full screen screenshot, and once you select this option, the screenshot is taken immediately and it's just a screenshot of your full screen. By the way, once you open this menu, your entire screen is frozen, so you don't have to worry if you don't manage to capture your full screen in time. Now the freeform basically lets you select an area on your screen just like a rectangular one, except for you can basically draw any shape that you like on your screen, and the screenshot that you take will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you made. Now all the screenshots can be found in the Pictures Screenshots folder. So that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.